BenQ has long been a brand name synonymous with high-performance gaming displays, the EL2870UISNT exactly their newest display having launched late in the summer of 2018. Still, at its current sale price, the EL2870U is one of, if not the most affordable 4K gaming monitors on the market. I felt that was enough of a reason to give the EL2870U a good hard look, even if I am getting to it a little late. With a unique combination of performance and features that seems tailored for console gamers, is the EL2870U an overlooked bargain? Let's find out why you should listen to me and why consider a gaming monitor. I am a lifelong gamer and AV enthusiast. While some members will recognize me from my frequent posts in the sub $3,000 projector forum, I am also an avid gamer and have been playing on a variety of high-performance gaming monitors for the last decade or so. While I do occasionally play games on my modest gaming PC, I am first and foremost a console gamer, and that's who I am writing this review for. So why a gaming monitor? While most gamers are happy enough to play games on their TV from their couch, I discovered a long time ago that I much preferred gaming on a dedicated monitor. For one, I personally find sitting in front of a dedicated monitor in a good office or gaming chair to be far more comfortable and supportive for long gaming sessions. Another good reason to consider a gaming monitor is it frees up your main TV display for family members or spouses who might not want to watch you game. But perhaps the most important reason is performance. Simply put, televisions typically cannot match the speed and responsiveness of a monitor. Televisions are designed as devices for passive viewing with an emphasis on picture quality, which oftentimes means sluggish pixel response and undefeatable image processing that can introduce lag. Gaming monitors are, by design, interactive displays with snappy pixel response, virtually non-existent lag, and special gaming-focused features like pixel overdrive and adaptive sync. While we're starting to see TV manufacturers catch up with more gamer-focused models, and even monitor manufacturers start to field larger, living room-friendly monitors, in my estimation, the value of a high-quality gaming monitor is still difficult to match today. Overview and hardware tour. The B. The monitor is advertised as being HDR capable, more on that below, and BenQ claims 300 nits of peak brightness, 1000:1 native contrast and a 12:1 dynamic contrast ratio. The monitor features AMD FreeSync support, 40 to 60 Hz via both DisplayPort and HDMI, as well as a super resolution sharpening feature and BenQ's Brightness Intelligence Plus sensor, which can adjust the brightness and color temperature of the display based on room conditions. The EL2870's LED backlight is TUV Rheinland certified flicker-free and has a variety of low blue light modes as part of BenQ's iCare technology. For I/O, the BenQ features a pair of full bandwidth HDCP2 compliant HDMI 2.0 ports, as well as a single DisplayPort 1.4 and a 1/8 headphone output. The BenQ's power supply is built in, so you won't need to fool with a power brick. A 4-foot HDMI cable is included in the box. The chassis of the EL2870U is sturdy and exceptionally well built, but the opposite of slim. Bezels are thick, measuring almost 3/4 of an inch on the top and sides and a full inch along the bottom. Fortunately, the plastic BenQ uses has a matte texture that resists glare and fingerprints, and the inside edges, at least on the top and sides, angle away from the screen at 45 degrees, meaning screen reflections aren't an issue there. Things are a little different along the bottom bezel, which is a metallic grey color and juts out significantly farther than the tops and sides. It also doesn't feature the same angling away from the screen as the top and sides. Screen reflections here are a bit of an issue, but I didn't find it too distracting. Along the bottom edge of the display underneath the BenQ logo is small, shiny black extension which houses the ambient light sensor that is part of BenQ's Brightness Intelligence Plus feature. Despite the relative chunkiness, I found the BenQ's design to be strangely attractive in a purposeful, function over form kind of way. It looks right at home next to my PS4 Pro and Razer RGB keyboard. The EL2870 stand is a simple T-shaped design with a brushed metal appearance, although it's still plastic. The good news is the stand can be assembled and attached to the monitor without the aid of tools. The bad news is the stand has no adjustments for height, featuring only basic tilt. While I understand why BenQ would omit a more versatile, expensive stand on such a value-oriented product, I do feel this is a bit of a missed opportunity, which I'll get more into a bit later in the review. Thankfully, BenQ has seen to equip the EL2870U with a VESA mount, and the I/O ports are smartly positioned facing down so you won't run into any clearance issues if you choose to mount the monitor to a wall. For control of the OSD, BenQ has an array of 5 context-sensitive buttons arranged along the B. Next to those is the power button, which doubles as a status light. On the front of the bezel next to the power button is a switch labeled HDR, which controls the HDR mode as well as the brightness intelligence feature. Click link in description for more reviews.